Welcome, fitness enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the world of pre-workout nutrition, and more specifically, vegetarian pre-workout meals for maximum energy. Understanding what to eat and when to eat can truly transform your workout. So buckle up and get ready to supercharge your workout routine with the power of nutrition. You wouldn't run your car on empty, would you? Your body is no different. Pre-workout meals play a pivotal role in fueling your workouts and enhancing your energy levels. They are the powerhouse that keeps your engine running. So, let's see what goes into the perfect vegetarian pre-workout meal. A balanced meal means balanced energy, so let's talk macros. Carbohydrates are your body's preferred energy source, while proteins support muscle recovery. Don't forget healthy fats, they provide sustained energy during your workout. Now that you know what to aim for, let's explore some meal ideas. Let's dive right into some delicious, energy-packed meal ideas. First up, overnight oats with fruit and nuts. This meal is a powerhouse of complex carbs, protein, and healthy fats. The oats will provide you with sustained energy, while the fruits add a natural sweetness and vitamins. Don't forget the nuts, which add a crunchy texture and healthy fats. Next, we have quinoa and vegetable stir-fry. Quinoa is a complete protein and complex carb, making it a fantastic choice for your pre-workout meal. The vegetables add a variety of vitamins and minerals. Lastly, the chickpea salad with avocado. This meal is high in protein and healthy fats, perfect for keeping your energy levels high throughout your workout. Remember, these are just ideas. Feel free to get creative and adjust to your liking. Before we wrap up, let's not forget about hydration and portion control. Staying well hydrated and managing meal sizes are crucial for optimal performance. And for those with limited time, quick snacks can be an excellent pre-workout option. Remember, the best pre-workout meal is the one that works best for you. So there you have it, folks, the power of pre-workout nutrition. From balanced macronutrients to meal timing, hydration, and portion control, it all plays a vital part in optimizing your energy levels for exercise. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to fuel your body right before your next workout.